just letting you all know I'm not ending the channel. Grandpa Grumpy Pants X World. I'm not ending that. Right now I'm back on this. This is a walker. My back problems have changed. I don't know if I'm going to have surgery at this point or just a ton of therapy or what the issue is. I just know I can't walk, and anybody who's at the 25th anniversary event in Belle Plaines had probably watched me fall down twice, which I did do once when there wasn't anybody around, and then another time when there was. So that's why I'm on a walker. If I don't use the walker, my family gets really upset because it's unpredictable when I fall. 25th anniversary event, just a quick quip on that, was a really nice event. Mike Locklear and Mike Seastrom and Waz really put out a ton of work, and it was a good time. I took my nephew, who had never been to an Excelsior Henderson event before. I took him, and he just had a ball. He felt very welcome from all the Xers. I saw a lot of old faces, people I hadn't seen in years and years and years. And then I got to see a lot of folks that I hadn't seen in a couple years since the last event that I attended. I was surprised on a lot of names that weren't there. Some of them I knew why they weren't there, money or whatever issues and stuff like that. But everybody's got to do their own thing and what they think's smartest, and I totally understand that. I was just a little surprised, just a little bit surprised for the fact that there's kind of a big names within the community, and we didn't get to see them. I'd like to see them again, but I understand, guys. So you got to do what you got to do. So until I get good enough, I can get back out to the shop because of this thing. I won't be putting any videos out on either one of my channels, the What Is It channel and the X World channel. Right now, my family won't let me go out in the shop hardly at all, even though I've been out there 3 times today, but nobody's here to tell me I can't do that. So I sneak out there. Had to get a few tools. I'm doing a couple honeydews in the house. It's really hot out there today. All right, everybody stay healthy, and I'll see you the next time I get another episode up.